What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smoke 300 back with another video. This morning, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be degreasing my car. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna take y'all out here. I already got the hood up. Just gonna go on and try to knock some of this dust off of it this morning. You know what I'm saying? But shit, let me go on and walk out here. Let me go on and walk out here this morning, man. As y'all can tell, I already got the hood up. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little dusty. So I was like, man, I'm gonna knock some of this dust off of it. I can make a little video, you know what I'm saying? I already got my little, what's that? Stick out here, I guess you want to say. Yeah, man. But this the product I'm gonna be using. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna knock some of the dust off of it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't really dirty to me, but it is a little dusty, as y'all can tell. But shoot, just gonna knock some of the dust off of it. You know what I'm saying? Try to bring it back to life. Make it look like it's supposed to. But shoot, I'll be back with y'all shortly, man. Make sure y'all just like, share, comment. Stay tuned, man. Oh, and I'm back. I guess I'm gonna just start, you know, soaking some of this stuff down. And some of it. Get her back right. All I'm finna do. I'm gonna let it sit on here for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a side at a time. I'm gonna do this side first. So I know that I'm getting everything that I want to get. Yeah, let that sit. I need to set this up on this stick though. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up on this stick. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'm gonna do this side, and I'm gonna do that side. Yes, sir. Gotta go and get her clean, man. But shoot, I'll be right back though here in a minute. Oh, and I'm back. Guess I'm gonna go on and wipe this side down. Let it sit for a little bit. You know, it ain't like I said, it ain't really dirty. Just a little bit dusty. But I just want my, you know, clean. The outside clean. You know what I'm saying? I want my motor to be clean. So that's all I'm really doing though this morning. Out here trying to wipe my car down. Make sure she look good, man. You know me? Nobody want no dirty car. At least not no dirty motor. You know what I'm saying? Make sure this look good, man. People might, you know, disagree on how I'm wiping it down, but like I said, my car motor wasn't really that dirty, so I just wanted to get some of the dirt, grime, and you know what I'm saying. That's all I would say is on it. It ain't really dirty. It's a little hit and miss spot. Y'all know how it is. I'm just gonna go and try to knock this out. Try to go and get it wiped out. And all this stuff wiped back off of it. And it's warming up down here in these Texas, bro. It's hot. It ain't really hot. Oh, it's cold for it. Come through like everybody was talking about. Not that. Yeah, just wiping it back off. Everything that I did spray on him, just wiping it all back off. Just regular, you know, rinse water. That's all I'm gonna be doing today, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get on this side of what I'm gonna be doing in my car. It's looking nice. She gotta be right. I don't want no dirty motor. I don't want no dirty motor. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. We need more subscribers, man. Make sure y'all subscribing to the channel, man. Y'all stay in tune. See what Smoke 300 gonna be doing. It's what it is though today. day. All right. All it is. Yeah. 10-15 minute video. Ain't nothing long, ain't nothing major. Yeah. Let that sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna wipe it on off. Wipe my own back out, you know? But like I said, it wasn't really nasty. It just had a little dust on there. I don't want to ride around like that. Everybody be, oh, let me see what that motor look like. I pop my hood, my stuff dirty, nasty. Alright. Man, make sure y'all washing y'all cars, man. Make sure that motor clean too. There. Yeah, I heard Tom was that car clean. Keep it motor nasty. I ain't trying to add that. That's why I'm doing this video. So clean. Getting clean. You start to look like something now. That's all I want. Looks like my neighbor's coming. I don't think it's wipe this off. Yeah, look at that already. Ooh. Yeah, man. Y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, brothers. off of it. It looks like something. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look better already. Like I was saying though, it was just a little dusty. Wasn't a little, dirty, as most people's cars is. When I was just dusty, I just knocked the dust off of it. Shot a little video of it. That's all it was. Need to go hit this spot. Right back there in that back. Should be good. But man, y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm saying, make sure y'all follow your boy on that Instagram, Smoke Life. And I'm saying, y'all just stay tuned to the video, bro. Make sure y'all go subscribe to your boy Smoke 300. We'll be back with y'all here shortly with another video. You know what I'm saying? Getting them headlights, new mod coming. Headlights, fog lights. Shoot, y'all just stay tuned, man. Smoke out.